In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TurboTax Tools Center. To get started, sign into your TurboTax account and open the tax return you want to work on. Make sure you're fully inside your return before moving on, since the Tools Center is accessed from within the return itself. If the page is still loading, give it a moment so all menu options appear correctly. Once your return is open, look over to the left-hand sidebar. In that menu, find the section labeled Tax Tools. If it's collapsed, go ahead and expand it so you can see the available options underneath. This area includes helpful features that let you manage parts of your return more efficiently without having to search through multiple screens. After expanding Tax Tools, click on Tools. As soon as you select it, the Tools Center will open in a pop-up window. If you don't see the window appear right away, check whether your browser is blocking pop-ups, since that can sometimes prevent the Tools Center from opening properly. Keeping your browser updated can also help everything run more smoothly. Inside the Tools Center, you'll see a list of useful options you can choose from, depending on what you need to do. For example, you might use My Fees if you want to review charges related to your return. Topic Search can help you quickly find specific tax-related areas within the return. View Tax Summary is useful if you want a clearer snapshot of your current tax situation, and Clear and Start Over is available if you need to erase your progress and begin again. Be especially careful with options like Clear and Start Over, since actions like that can remove information you've already entered. Choose the tool or option that fits your needs, and take a moment to review what each one does before selecting it. That way, you can avoid making unintended changes and feel more confident while working through your return. When you're done using the Tool Center, simply close the pop-up window. After that, you can continue working on your tax return right where you left off. This makes it easy to use the extra tools when needed, then return to the main filing process without losing your place. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you better understand how to use the TurboTax Tools Center.